In this video, we're going to be checking out a budget gaming headset that comes in at just under $30. But does it suck? Let's find out. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Jeff at eljefereviews, and on my channel, we do gadget unboxings, demos, and tech reviews. So if that sounds like something that you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. This week, we're checking out the Patriot Viper V361 gaming headset. Now these guys run about $29.99 on Amazon.com right now, and I'll be leaving a link to that right down in the description box below. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, guys, so here we have it. Viper gaming headset V361 by Patriot. 7.1 surround sound, ultra bass response, foldable mic. Let's see, check that out. Give us a basic rundown of what's going on here. There shows you the foldable microphone, UBR switch. So I'm assuming that's to turn on the extra bass. A volume wheel that's built right into that. Actually kind of prefer that sometimes. Let's see here. Gives you some of the specs here. 40mm neodymium magnet. 30mm sub driver. 7-foot cable length. USB connector. So you get a carry bag, ear cups, stuff like that. Omnidirectional mic. But let's go ahead and crack her open. Just let you guys take a look at it real quick. Let's see. Okay, nothing else in the box. Get that out of the way. All right. Get that out of there. Okay. Set that down. All right, so here is our bag. Carrying bag. Drawstring pouch, has the Viper logo on there. Not bad. Put that aside. Looks like, okay, so they even threw in some replaceable earmuffs, which is, I'm pretty surprised by this. So these are like that soft leather, or like leatherette, forgot what they call it, PU leather or something like that. But they also threw in these guys. They're like that mesh, soft mesh or cloth-like material, which I actually like. These are similar to what you find on like the Logitech earphones. So I thought that's kind of cool. I'm pretty surprised they threw that in. I hadn't seen that on a gaming headset yet where they threw in the extras. Let's see here, envelope. Looks like we get some decals. Right. Shout out to Paul's Hardware for the decals. And just see your instructions there on the gaming headset quick start guide, but there really isn't much to it. Let's see here, that aside. We've got the cable itself. You can see that's got the USB connection on it. Very nice, super thick braided cable. I kind of like the pattern on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see. I thought that was kind of cool. Check that out. Yeah. Now, just first impressions, you know, these are some budget gaming headsets, so, you know, they don't have the rotating cups or anything like that, but they do feel pretty comfortable. There's a lot of good padding here. And then if you don't like these ear cups, they do include the others. Really good padding up top as well. Good range of adjustment. So then you got your on-ear control there, bass switch plus volume there, Viper logo. Yeah, they've got good weight to them. You know, I expected them to be much, much lighter, you know, just based on the price. I figured they were gonna not feel, you know, very good, but these actually feel pretty premium for what they are, you know, especially being in the, you know, sub $50 class for gaming headsets where, you know, there's stuff in the $50 range and you got stuff in the $100 and then $150, $200 range. So these are right down near the bottom, but hey, you know, that's what my channel's about, is all the budget gaming tech for all of us that can't afford, you know, all the high-end stuff. So, especially in the market right now. But yeah, so pretty cool. You know, I like those other ear cups as well. So that's kind of nice. I may be switching out to these shortly because sometimes these make my head or my ears sweat. So yeah, but all in all, not too bad. Now let me give you guys a quick rundown on some of the features of the Patriot Viper V361 gaming headset. These do feature 7.1 virtual surround sound. They also have 40mm neodymium drivers along with a 30mm sub driver. They use a USB connection to connect to your computer for sound and for microphone input, as opposed to some other headsets that still use, you know, your 3.5mm jacks for that. Aside from that, they also have a omnidirectional noise canceling mic that folds out, as you can see right here. So nice to hide it away if you don't want to have it out like that. So that's pretty cool. And sound quality is not bad as far as the microphone's concerned. Let me give you guys a quick sound clip of that. Hey, what's up guys? The audio you're hearing now is coming through the microphone on the Viper V361 gaming headset. So you can hear it's actually pretty decent. It does have a noise canceling omnidirectional mic that's built in right here. You can also fold it up and fold it away. Works pretty well. I think the sound quality come through, it's pretty awesome. You know, you'll be able to easily play with your friends online. They'll be able to hear you, you'll be able to hear them. So, you know, thumbs up for the microphone quality on this one. And as far as comfort goes, let me show you guys. So they do go all the way around your ears. Very comfortable. Now, I haven't swapped out the earmuffs yet, but with these leather, these soft leatherette ones, they're actually really comfy. They have the same material right here at the top, and it's a good, generous portion of it here. Doesn't hurt my head. After gaming with them for a few hours, you know, there was no fatigue on my ears, there's no fatigue on my head. So yeah, that was pretty nice. They also feature this red, I'm not sure if it's showing up in the video very well, but it's a red LED lighting on the sides. There is an RGB version of these that's about $15 more, so about 45 bucks. Those are the V370. As far as I can tell, there is nothing technically different between the V361 and the V370 with the exception of the RGB lighting, which I opted out of. You know, I figured 30 bucks, I didn't, you know, the extra 15 isn't worth it to me. You know, it's for RGB lighting, I've got plenty of that on my PC already, so I don't have to worry about that just yet. As far as sound quality goes, for gaming, these are excellent. I was playing Grand Theft Auto, Assassin's Creed, Origins, World of Warships. You know, I wanted to play some games that had some explosions and some action and things like that. And these sound excellent, especially when you go ahead and click that extra bass button right here, the ultra bass response. I mean, they really, really hit as far as, you know, guns and explosions and things like that. I mean, you really do feel that. The virtual 7.1 virtual surround sounds awesome. You know, the other gaming headset that I've been using doesn't have that. And, you know, I hadn't really noticed it to me. Everything sounded fine. But when playing some of these games, that does make a little bit of a difference, you know, as far as getting really immersive in the game. So I really like that. Now, as far as any downsides that I can see, I don't like the fact that they don't have the rotating cups. So that to me can be somewhat of a downer. I don't know, for some people that's not really going to be a big deal breaker or anything like that, but you know, that's just something that I wanted to point out to you guys. On the other hand, while sound quality for gaming is excellent, when it comes to music and video, you know, it's still good, but I was hoping that they would get a bit louder, especially for music. For whatever reason, I don't know if it's an issue on my end, on my computer or on these, but I have them, you know, the rocker here turned all the way to max. And, you know, on my computer as well, everything, all the volumes turned all the way up. And for some reason, it doesn't seem to be as loud as I would like it to be. Comparatively to, say, my Logitech G230 headset, those get way, way louder. Now, they don't have the deep bass that these offer. They also don't have the virtual surround, but overall, they do get much louder. So if I'm watching something like a video or a movie that's on the quiet side, you know, I can really turn those up and I can hear everything nicely. These, I'm fearful that I'm not going to have that ability, that I'm going to get them maxed out and then I'm going to be SOL and not be able to hear some dialogue or something like that. So as far as like music and movies and stuff like that's concerned, I think they're just okay. For gaming, they are excellent. You know, that was what kind of caught me off guard, because I tested music and video first and I was like a little disappointed. But then when I started playing games, it was much louder. So I'm not sure what that's about. But yeah, so I just wanted to point that out to you guys. But all in all, I mean, for 30 bucks, I think this is an excellent buy, especially if you're just looking to dive into some gaming and you don't want to cough up, 80 or 100 bucks for like a Corsair headset, or 150 for, like the HyperX, or even some Audio Technicas. If you're looking to just dive right in on a brand, 30 bucks, and you don't want to go with some random unknown brand on Amazon, definitely go with the Patriot Viper V361s or V370s. You won't be disappointed. They have good sound, you have good mic quality, they're super comfy. So yeah, man, I highly recommend them, especially if you're on a tight budget, especially right now with the PC gaming market being what it is. We're all being gouged for memory prices and GPU prices and all that stuff. It's nice to find something, even if it is a peripheral, that won't break the bank. So yeah, definitely, man, highly recommend the Patriot V361s. You guys should definitely check these out. That wraps up my unboxing and review of the Patriot Viper V361 gaming headset. Let me know what you guys think of these right down in the comment section. And if you guys have any questions or concerns or anything like that about the video, go ahead and leave those down there as well, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small bell icon, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. So with all that being said, I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you guys in the next video.